Welcome back, friends. And today we have this Leatherman Style CS. So, some quick specs is that when it's closed like this, it is 2.9 inches, so just right under 3 inches. And it's it's black and gray. And this black part, they call it a glass filled nylon. So GFN for abbreviation. It's a glass filled nylon. It's like a hard plastic and very light. It's the whole thing. And there's 6 tools in here. And they say that where the weight is only 1.4 ounces. So here's the look when it's closed. Made in the USA. So we have this carabiner here, which also works for a bottle opener, which is a cool feature. They put 2 in 1 right here, so you can attach it to your keys or maybe to the loop of your pants. And then if you ever need to open a bottle that's got a cap, you have a bottle opener. Then you have this nail file here. There's a little nail nick right there to help open this tool up. And then they call it well, it's just a little tip, so you can use it for a Phillips. And in the pamphlet that comes with it, they say that you can use it for a Phillips head also. And then what's interesting, it was interesting is that they put this little tweezers here right into the handle, so you can easily overlook that tweezer because it's kind of blended in. They did a nice job of working that in. So you got your tweezers here. And they're very sharp, which would be a good thing if you have like a splinter that you needed to get out. So it just goes back in right in here in the handle. It kind of clicks in, so there would be a low probability of it ever uh, falling out. You'd have to bump something really hard to get that out accidentally. You got to intentionally pull that out because, like I say, there's a little click. See right there, if you can hear it. There. And then on this side, you have this blade. It's a 420HC knife. It's a chisel grind, meaning that one side is completely flat. Then you have the bevel here on this side. The blade length is 1.6 inches. And and like there's a little nail nick here to help open and close. And then you have when you open up the handle, you have this scissors, and these are very nice, well done scissors. And I like the fact that how they designed this like a little carabiner here. You can, and how it kind of curves out. You can easily rest 3 fingers. And the other feature I like about these scissors is that some multi-tools, the scissors are you just have to open and close manually, but they put a nice feature here where you can see it's spring loaded, so all you have to do is press down and cut, and then just release the handle, and the spring mechanism will open up the scissors. So really cool feature, this spring action here. So that's it. This is the Leatherman CS, or the Leatherman style CS, and it's got 6 tools and very good quality. Good quality and nicely manufactured. And the handles when closing works nice and easy. And there you have it, friends. The Leatherman style CS. And until next time, have a great day, friends.